Greetings today. I will try to help you with PayPal, showing this error that can't be used as your preferred way to pay online. Choose a different payment method. First tip. You all may use a Pasera card, but it won't be accepted either. I have suffered from that problem, and I found out that you will have to charge it a little amount of money before using it. Second tip. Most of the cards in Egypt is not accepted on PayPal, due to some new rules have been made by the government in 2017. Third tip. If the problem is still not solved, I opened my account from Egypt, then I moved to Spain and already added a Spanish debit card, which confirmed today, but it's a useless try. I thought, like some of the people mentioned, that the problem is related to Egyptian cards. I still can't pay using my PayPal balance, and this problem is annoying me very much. So basically, the only possible workaround for this absolute nonsense is withdrawing PayPal balance into your card or whatever, and then paying with the card or whatever, and then paying with the card. Not only is it absolutely ridiculous, you'd have to do such thing, there's also a pretty hefty fee for withdrawing, at least for me. I love the logic here, it's stunning. We'll always use your P-balance first. In all these years, not a single time has my balance been used, no matter if there was enough for the transaction or not. I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Bye.